Yeah, hello. Today I want to show you here the MOKCAO Life Bluetooth speaker made with real bamboo. So if you are interested in like a little sound check, then check out this video here in the upper right corner, the link where I'm going to show you how this thing sounds. But first let's have a look here how this thing looks like. So here, this is not too shabby. Look at this. This is some really good size. It's not like one of those mini speakers. This is really something. Has a good size and it also has some weight to it. And then here, have a look at this, how shiny this is. This is like the real bamboo. Looks really nice, really polished. Has a good look to it. And then here the rest, there's some fabric all around here. And the bottom part has some rubber feet. And here even the backside is real bamboo. Here with the passive radiator. And then here there's 3 ports. There's like on the bottom auxiliary port and the charging port. And then on top is also an output charging port. So you can charge, for example, your smartphone with that. Okay, then here on the top we have 2 LEDs. And then 5 buttons to play around with it. And what else do we have here in the box? So it comes with its own charger. Here, look at this. This is a 5 amp charger. So it's supposed to charge this speaker, the battery, in less than 3 hours, which is pretty cool. And then what else? So we have here the micro USB charging cable. And then it also comes with an auxiliary cable in case you don't have Bluetooth. Well, let me go through here the instructions manual really quick. Have this fast forward in case you're interested in some of those pages. Then maybe just push the pause button. And this is already it. So please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, then please leave a comment below.